Huh. Good morning to all of you students. Now we are going to learn our next yoga posture, and that is Anulom Vilom. We will take air by your left nostril and exhale out by your right nostril. This is Chandrabhedi. By this we can lower down our blood pressure. We will take air by your left nostril and we will leave air by our right nostril. This is Chandrabhedi. In this 14 steps are there. And in Surya Bhedi, we can raise our blood pressure if it is low. In that, we will take air through our right nostril and we will leave air by our left nostril. In Surya Bhedi, we will leave air by our right nostril and we will leave air through our left nostril. In Chandra Bhedi, for lowering down our blood pressure, we will take air through our left nostril and we will leave air, whatever air we have taken inside, we will leave that air to our right nostril, as I am doing. See. This is Chandrabhedi. Whenever you feel stress, you can apply this Chandrabhedi anywhere, anytime. Whenever you feel stress, you can apply this Chandrabhedi pranayam anywhere, anytime. This keeps our blood pressure low. This keeps our blood pressure low. This keeps our stress low. So this is very helpful. Surya Bhedi is also helpful, but nowadays, as we are seeing that stress and blood pressure is going high, so for lowering down them, Chandrabhedi pranayam is very beneficial, and we can do this for 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, even 10 minutes, up to which our requirement is, up to which time we can do, into which our requirement is. So it keeps our blood pressure normal. Chandrabhedi. Left nostril inhale, right nostril exhale. Left nostril inhale, right nostril exhale. This was Chandrabhedi Anulom Vilom. Now Surya Bhedi. Right inhale, left exhale. By our right nostril we will inhale that, and by our left nostril we will exhale the air. I will not do this for a longer time because I have to perform more yoga exercises before you. So I am proceeding to our next yoga posture. Now we have done this. I am going to perform Vajrasana. For Vajrasana, we will sit like this. You see how I have seated Vajrasana. This cures our diabetes. This is very beneficial in curing our diabetes, our backache, our back, and by that we can improve our blood sugar level. So by this Vajrasan, as you see how I have seated, by this Vajrasan we can lower down our blood sugar level. Walking is also a type of very beneficial exercise, yoga. Walking is very important. Walking is also a type of very good work through which we can lower down our blood sugar level. That is very important. So by walking we can lower down our blood sugar level. See how I have seated. We can sit like this for 2 minutes. Minimum 2 minutes is essential, important. We can sit like this for 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 minutes, whatever we can do, but minimum 2 minutes is very important. So we can sit like this for 10 minutes also. As I have seated, see, I have bent my both knees, I have bent my both legs, and I have seated like this. So by this we can lower down our stress. Back pain means which is in our lumbar region, lower back. Lumbar region means the lower back. We can relieve our pain, our back pain. We can relieve our backache. So backache can be improved. Backache can be removed out from our back by this also. This removes stress, anxiety, and other bad, negative, and poisonous and dirty particles of our blood. So by this we can sit for many times, and this is very important for lowering down our sugar level. And you know, this is Vajrasan. We can do Kapalbhati in that also. However, I have seated. We can do Kapalbhati as you do. You see how I am doing. Now Vajrasan has been completed, and I am going to perform my next yoga practice. And next yoga practice is Bhujangasana. You will do like this. See how I have done. This is Bhujangasana, Sarpasana or Cobra posture. All of these three names are, we can say this by all of these three names. Sarpasana. We can remove our fat which is on belly. We can improve our diabetes. We can improve our backache. Backache can be removed by doing these practices daily. By doing these practices, by doing this exercise yoga daily. So by doing this Cobra posture, we can improve our fat. We can remove out the fat which is on our belly. We can decrease our belly fat or whatever fat is on our belly. We can improve our fat, means we can decrease that which is on our stomach, the fat. And by doing this exercise, we can improve our back ache. You will feel very comfortable by doing this. You will feel very comfortable. You will feel relaxed in your back ache. You will feel relaxed in your back pain. Without back pain also, you will feel very relaxed by doing this. This is very beneficial for our back pain especially. We can perform this also for minimum 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever time we can do, whatever our requirement is, or whatever time we can perform this. See, we should do like this as I have done. This is Sarpasana, means snack pose. This is Cobra posture. This is Bhujangasana. If you are sweating during these exercises, if sweat is coming out from your body, from your skin, from your body, then this is very good for our health. This is very good. The toxic materials, the dangerous, poisonous, bad liquid will come out from your body by doing these exercises. That is very good if you are doing any exercise, if you are doing any yoga practice and the sweat is coming out from our body, from our skin, the sweat is coming out from our body, then that is very good for our health. and sweat should come. Then it will remove out, wash out your all toxic materials inside your body, and that will be very good for our health. So you see, we can do this. And by this, stress also remove out, because when we feel comfortable, relaxed in our body, then stress is also removed out from our body. You will feel very relaxed, as I am feeling, because by doing this, the relaxation will come in your body. The relaxation will be in your body and your back also body. Now we will do the next one. Now see, I have seated like this. Now I am going to perform Ujjayi pranayama. In Ujjayi, we will sit like this. Then we will have our 4 fingers on our like this on our eyes. Then we will close our both ears like this, and then we will say Om. Om, that is Ujjayi. After that we will do Om like this, doing this Om. Then that will be Bhramari. So that is Om Prat. Suppose I am doing like this. This is the steps I will tell you in next video of this